Okay, let's look at homework 3.5, 3.6, problem number 3, right? So we have this implicit equation given, and we have to take the derivative to find y prime, or dy over dx, right? So let's do that. All right, so first thing I would do is I don't like square root, so I'm gonna just rewrite it as, so I'll rewrite this guy as quantity 5x plus y, right, raised to the 1/2 power, right? Then right hand side looks okay, so I'm just gonna keep it as it is. So 2 plus x squared y squared, right? Then I'm gonna just take the derivative with respect to x. So take the derivative of that with respect to x. We'll get, all right, so power rule, so 1/2 in front, right? Keep exactly the same inside function, so 5x plus y, right? Subtract 1 from the power, so negative 1/2 power, right? Then multiply by derivative of inside, which is 5 plus, right, dy over dx, or we can use y prime if we want. So let's try y prime, right? And then derivative of the right hand side is going to be, derivative of 2 is 0. All right, so this guy has two things multiplied together. So this is the first guy, this is the second guy. So I'm going to use a product rule to take the derivative. Derivative of the first guy is 2x times the second guy, so it's a y squared, plus first guy x squared, right? Then you have a derivative of the second guy, which is 2y, then chain rule, times dy over dx, or y prime. All right, so we have that. All right, so I'm gonna just rewrite the left hand side a little bit. So this is gonna be equal to, all right, so we have this is going to be on top. So I'm going to just write 5 and plus y prime and over, right? So there's a 1/2 here. So 2 is going to be on the bottom. So right here, right? Then you have, let's see. So it's a negative square root here, power, which means that the square root is going to be sitting on the bottom. So it's a negative power, so that means it's on the bottom. 1/2 is a square root. And inside here, so this is what goes inside, 5x plus y. So 5x plus y, right? And so this is equal to, all right, 2x y squared plus, I'll probably write it as 2x squared y times y prime. All right, so I don't like fractions, so I'm going to just multiply both sides by this denominator. So you're going to have, so this is going to be equal to, so multiply by 2 square root of 5x plus y is going to be 5 plus y prime is equal to, all right, so 2xy, so it's going to be 4xy squared, square root of 5x plus y, all right, plus, all right, so there's going to be 4x squared y square root of 5x plus y times y prime. All right. Then I'm going to collect the terms that have y prime in it. So you can see that there's a y prime here. And there's another term, 4x squared y, square root of 5x plus y. All right, I'm going to put both terms on the left-hand side. So I'm going to have to move this guy to this side. All right, then everyone else does not have, y prime. So I'm going to put 5 on the other side. And I'm going to keep this guy where it is. All right. So let's do that. So we basically need to subtract 4x squared y square root of 5x plus y to move this term to the left hand side, and also subtract 5 to move 5 to the right hand side. All right. Once you've done that, since both terms have y prime in it, so I'm going to factor it out right away. So y prime. All right. From here you get 1. Here you get, so this is going to be minus 4x squared y square root of 5x plus y. Right? This is equal to, all right, so right hand side is going to be this guy, so 4xy squared square root of 5x plus y. Then you're subtracting 5 from that. All right. Then we just need to isolate y prime, so divide through by this quantity. So this is going to be equal to, right, divide through by quantity 1 minus 4x squared y square root of 5x plus y. It's going to be y prime is equal to, right, 4xy squared square root of 5x plus y minus 5 all over, right, 1 minus 4x squared y square root of 5x plus y. All right, so that's the derivative dy over dx we are looking for. All right, so let's type it in to see if it's correct. All right, so the what we found that was, so we need a big fraction here. So 4xy squared, and then you have a square root of 5x plus y, and then outside the square root minus 5, and divided by 1 minus 4x squared y, then squared and y, and a square root of 5x plus y. All right, so let's check the answer. All right, it came back, and looks like we have the correct solution. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.